You know what? Now at the moment I move the phone, the camera is gone this side. The camera has to be this side. So definitely this has to go onto the other side. It cannot be on here. So let me just do this real quick. Oops, I'm sorry for that. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome to another episode of The Little Taster. Today is Monday, and Mondays for us is about sharing what we have learned. It's about giving back to the community. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to set up a microphone to the gimbal. We'll also explain the entire setup that we use for our vlogging. If you have not watched our other Monday episodes, then I would highly recommend you to watch those, where we have explained about the editing softwares that we use and about how to set up a gimbal itself. I will leave a link in the description box below, and I'll also add it to the end screen of this video. This is truly going to be highly informative, so please do stay with us till the end. But then these are the things that I was talking about. This is going to be our new gear from now on. We will be using all these to make our videos. What we have until now is just a mobile phone and a tripod. I already spoke about the different challenges that we were getting into, especially the camera part where my audio and video both were not in sync. And then the tripod itself wasn't helping us as much as as we could. The stabilization was getting us into a problem. So we bought all these things. Let's see what we have. The first one is an iPhone SE. This is Gen 2. We would be shooting our videos on this. And this is triple cord shoe mount. I would need this shoe mount to mount on this gimbal. So yes, this is a gimbal that we have bought. We would replace the tripod that we are using now with this gimbal. Tripod we would still continue to use at places where we feel it's need. Otherwise we would be using gimbal going forward. For me to attach a mic to the gimbal and to the phone, attach a mic to the phone, I would need this shoe mount so that I can mount it to my gimbal. This shoe mount would go onto the gimbal, and then the video microphone, this would go onto the shoe mount. This is how the setup would be. And then this would be a connector. This is a cable from the mic. It would go to the iPhone. This is how the connection is literally going to be. You have your gimbal, then you have your shoe mount on top of your gimbal, and then you have your microphone which would be attached to your shoe mount, and then I have a cable which would connect between my iPhone and my microphone, and the iPhone would be connected back to the gimbal. But then since it's an iPhone, I would need a headphone jack adapter. This jack adapter would connect my iPhone and my cable. This jack adapter is going to be like this. So this is how the entire setup is going to be. A gimbal which is already set to an iPhone. This is iPhone SE Gen 2. I've already set it to my gimbal. It's all done. It's already there. This is a microphone. The one that I have bought is from Rode. This is Video Micro. That's what they call it. It's a compact on-camera microphone. I'll unbox this now and let's see what's inside this. And then once we see how to fit this, then we have few more things that we want to wow. So this is how it looks like inside. Is a dit cat thing, that the one that you use to cut down your air and all, filter your air and all. But let's open this. We open this. Oh yeah. So okay, so this is the one where my hand first went into it. It's super soft. Alright, so like I said, this I can take it off, and then oops, yeah. So this is your microphone. This is your microphone holder probably. How does it go? It goes somewhere like this. Yeah, it it went like this, and this one would go into this one, maybe. Yeah, this one goes into this one. Now this is set, but it will not, I don't think it would directly go in somewhere into the gimbal, so I would definitely need a mount, like I said, shoe mount. I'll unbox the shoe mount as well. Let's see how that is. So, oh, this is beauty. What's more, there's a we got these two. This is the shoe mount and then the jack. So what I would first do is I will take this stand out, the tripod stand out from the gimbal. Now this I believe it would go here. I set it up now. This one's like this. Okay. What happens if I just try to loosen it? Oh, okay, I can do it. Which maybe I'll put it on this side. Let's see how this works. This microphone here, the little one here. Oh, this is to tighten it up. Okay. Now this probably would go and fit somewhere like this, okay. Oh, I see, you have it here, maybe. Yeah, so the screw would go and sit on top of it here, like this maybe. Yeah, I think that's it. So let's first do this. We would need this end to go and sit on here. How do we do it? Let's put it here, and then let's, okay, let me do this here. Okay, let me do this here. Yeah, this one's tight now. So this, your setup is done here like this, and then all you need is now take this microphone thing and just slide it. So this one that you see, the square, you would slide it through this. Yeah, once you slide it, then you would tighten it up. That's all you need to do. Yeah, so it's tightened up. But one thing which, like if you're shooting in this side and if you want to talk, you can have this on your end, or if you're doing on a selfie mode recording, this angle is what you should have. But if you are not in a selfie mode, as in you're not in a selfie mode, then probably this should go onto the other side. But you see something, there is a disconnect between your phone and your microphone, right? How do you connect these two? I have got these ones here, and I've got a cable as well. Let's see what this cable is. Or maybe I might have just bought an extra one, which I should have really not done. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, this one here is. This one is an headphone jack. Let's open this. One thing, what I really like about Apple, even though I've not purchased much from Apple, is I bought this and then they shipped it to my home for free. They didn't took any shipping charges. On top of it, the messages that they were updating me, the text messages through which they were updating me, is like, today is the day you are going to get it. All those things would make you really special, as if you have bought something. It would make you feel special. That's all. But this one is a jack. This adapter, it would go onto your phone. Okay, so let's put it here. And then now the other side of this, we should connect it between these two, right? So let's try this one. TSR to TRR is patch cable, SC7. Let's try this. Alright, so the wire that we have here, one would go onto this side and the second one would go onto this side. Now your phone is connected to your microphone. Am I all done now? Do you have anything more now? I think I am done. Let me just sign into my account. Okay, this looks good to me. I still see this side a little heavier. It makes sense because you have connected a wire here, so this side is still heavy. What I would do is I would maybe move a little to this side. Would it even work? What if I do that? No, wait. Yeah. This side. Let me go ahead and take a video. Start. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Now how does this work? This is super. It is looking good. I mean, I'm feeling very comfortable using this. But let's see how this actually goes on. As in, when I learn more, you can move it. You can do this. You can keep a face tracking where all you need is just click on the face track, and if you move your gimbal, your phone would automatically go to the direction of the object that you have kept on the track. Let me close this. Let me stop the video. Let's now play the video that we have just recorded. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Now how does this work? This is super. It is looking good. I mean, I'm feeling very comfortable using this. But let's see how this actually goes on. As in, when I learn more, you can move it. I'll take a pause here. I'll click on the pause button. Face tracking where all you need is just click on the face track, and if you move your gimbal, your phone would. Alright. So first impressions, again, there is definitely a lot of difference in the audio quality that I'm listening. I don't know how it would come in the video, but for me, when I'm listening this, the clip that I recorded just now, there's huge difference in the audio quality compared to a regular videos that we have been shooting. I can definitely see that difference. It would more coming to picture, as in we would learn more as we take more videos and see different options in it. And definitely I'll definitely get back to you guys with another video wherein I'll go and explain how easy is it, as in when we use it more, and we'll talk on how you better set it up, or what are the advantages and all. I'll talk definitely more on that. I'll take one more video on that along with the gimbal, because by then I would definitely learn something. I'll keep on sharing as and when I learn. That way it would help somebody or other. Definitely, for sure. Until then, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel, The Little Taster. Your love and support is what we need. That is our encouragement to go forward and make new content and all. But yeah, until then, thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.